3D printing is a process of creating physical objects layer by layer from a digital 3D model. It is also called additive manufacturing. First, a 3D model is created using softwares like SolidWorks, Fusion 360, CATIA, Blender, SketchUp or Tinkercad. Then, the model is exported into a printable file formats such as STL, 3MF, OBJ, AMF or STEP. Next, slicing softwares like Cura, Bambu Studio, Simplify 3D or IdeaMaker converts model into hundreds of thin layers and generates machine instructions G-code. After that, the printer heats materials like PLA, ABS, PETG or resin and deposit them layer by layer along the X, Y and Z axis. Each layer bonds to the previous one until the final object is formed. Finally, supports are removed and the parts can be cleaned or finished. And that's how a digital design becomes a real product using a 3D printing. If you want a complete detailed process, then you can visit to the YouTube video link that is provided in the description. So that's all for this video and I'm going to catch up you in the next one.